Today we're going to talk about the shared route functionality now available in VMware Tanzu Application Servers 3.0. This functionality really focuses on dealing with the people problem of a reorg or organizational change within a company. Many times, applications are transferred between different development teams, and before this feature, app teams had to take outages to move these applications around within the platform. To simulate a real-world scenario, I have created an A team and a B team space, and these two teams will be transferring a live production application. Now, the intent is for the A team to transfer the Spring Music application to the B team. In order to do this without downtime, we need to make use of the new CF shared route functionality built into VMware Tanzu Application Servers 3.0. Now, you can see that there are two spaces set up, the A team and the B team. If we drill into the A team space, you can see that the A team owns the route, the Spring Music, and we flip over here, the application is live. If we go back here, back to the org and go to the B team, we see that the B team hasn't the same version of the app deployed without a route. Now, it's very important that when we're doing this transfer, the A team and the B team use the same version of the application as when the CF shared route functionality takes into effect. In essence, be more instances of the same application running. Let's flip over to the CLI and start running the transfer process. And the first step is that we need to do a CF share route, and we're going to share the route, the Spring Music, to the B team from the A team space. So CF share route. And now we have shared the route to the B team. And now we're going to do the CF move route, which will actually transfer ownership over to the B team. Now, if we go back to the apps manager here and see the A team, we can see now that the A team space no longer shows that that route is present. But if you drill into the A team's instance, it's still routing. It still has this route mapped. And we go back here and go to the B team, we can see that it owns the Spring Music app route now. So the CF share route and CF move route are done. The A team is still taking traffic on their side, but the B team now owns that route so they can map it to their version of the application. Now we need to assume the role of the B team, and we're going to target their space. And now, since we own that route and the B team side, we can map the route to our version of the app, which is new Spring Music. It's the same actual app code, but we just had to call it a different name in the system. So now we're going to map the route to the B team side. And if we do a CF routes now, we can see that both versions of the application, or both copies of the application, new Spring Music and the Spring Music, are both mapped and taking traffic to the route. So in essence, the CF share route and CF move route and CF map route has just added additional instances on both the A team and the B team side of the house. So let's just go ahead and confirm that the application is still running. So the B team now has their copy mapped without any downtime. And we just need to do a little bit of cleanup here to make sure it's fully cut over to the B team side. And now we need to go back on the A team and essentially just unmap the route. If we do a CF routes now, there's no routes to find. So that copy, that version from the A team is no longer in production, no longer taking traffic. We fully cut over to the B team's copy of it. And we didn't have to redeploy. We didn't have to take the application down, get a change ticket scheduled or anything of that nature. We were able to work around the reorganization of people within the technology side of just sharing and moving the route over to the new team. If you want to see the best event of the year for Cloud Foundry content, be sure to check out Cloud Foundry Day 2022 at KubeCon North America. Cloud Foundry experts will be on site sharing the great work they've been doing in the community. They will also be broadcasted virtually for those who could not physically attend. If you want to see more of the VMware Tanzu team and Spring community, then be sure not to miss Spring One, which will be hosted December 6th through 8th in San Francisco. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified when we drop more content. To stay up to date on the latest and greatest news around Tanzu Application Service, then be sure to check out the new Tanzu Tech Zone site listed here.